This is a match which divides families. This is a match which divides brothers and sisters, husbands and wives. It is the 180th edition of the Soweto Derby, and it comes to you from a virtually jam-packed FNB Stadium. Close to 90,000 tickets have been sold for this one, and even though the form of the teams has been a little bit questionable going into this, neither has lost this year. So as a result of that, there is plenty to play for. Whoever wins today will go second in the table, at least temporarily, before the other teams get a chance to play. Neither side has lost this year. Chiefs haven't lost since the derby. They've had 4 wins and 4 draws in all competitions, losing only on that penalty shootout in the cup. Jelly Chavani blows the whistle. Chiefs in their familiar yellow, or gold if you prefer, and black. The Buccaneers in their black and white colours. It's a home game for Pirates, but it really doesn't matter, because on an occasion such as this, it's not a matter of home or away, it's just a matter of bragging rights. And this, the 180th derby, a competition which started in 1970 between these sides, when Percy Chipper Molloy scored the first ever derby goal for the Buccaneers when they won 6-4 against Chiefs. It's the most ever goals scored in a derby, as well as Chiefs' 7-3 win 2 years later against the Buccaneers. 10 goals in each of those derbies. Immediately it's Chiefs on the attack, ball put out of play. It'll be a throw-in on that right-hand side for this man, Jose Rivero. Well, he's Pirates' side have only lost 2 in their last 13 matches. Those were back-to-back at the end of last year, Supersport and Steadies, 2 rivals. And the flag stays down. Here's a real chance for Chiefs to get a goal, and they've got it early on. And it's Ashley Dupree, the man from Stellenbosch, just 6 minutes in. Well, that was terrible defending from the Buccaneers. They just stood still, and they allowed Dupree to run on. There was no flag at all. And Ashley Dupree nets his 2nd league goal of the season. He got 15 goals in his 6 seasons at Stellenbosch. He scored today. It's an early goal for Chiefs. And Sipho Chain will be massively disappointed with that, but the whole defence just seemed to stand still, waiting for a whistle which never came. For Kevin Johnson and Dylan Shepherd, it's a momentous start. It's not the fastest ever goal in a derby. That came after just 19 seconds by Kenyeza for Chiefs a few years ago in Durban. The flag is correctly stays down. It's not offside. Look at the good run here from Modi, who's already had a chance in this game but early on, but it's Ashley Dupree this time from a similar angle, who puts it in with the left boot into the goal, throwing off the challenge from Lebitso, which is only a token challenge. And the man from Steadies has put Chiefs ahead in this derby. It is 1-0, so yet again we are not going to have a goalless derby, and Pirates have it all to do. Early goal for Ashley Dupree, just his 2nd league goal of the season, has put Chiefs ahead as they try and restore the situation in terms of league derbies. They won 5 in a row before Pirates won the earlier one this season. The last 2 seasons Chiefs have done the double over Pirates. Pirates have the possibility of doing the double over Chiefs this season, but they're going to have to do something in terms of coming back into this game. It's Yusuf Mart underweights the pass and gives it away, and Maswanganyi plays it back into the area. Now Saleh! Oh, it's a brilliant goal! It's a brilliant goal for the Buccaneers, and Monapule Saleh, well, we haven't seen him for much of the season. He's equalised now for the Buccaneers, his 2nd goal of the season. So the sides are level, and that is the first goal that Chiefs have now conceded in, let me do the maths, 461 minutes. 461 minutes, that's 7 hours and 40 minutes since Chiefs have last conceded. They concede, but it is an excellent team goal, just as good as the Chiefs team goal was. Monapule Saleh, man formerly from Morocco Swallows, you can see it's a mistake from Yusuf Marti, underweights the pass. And then Maswanganyi does well. This is a delightful touch, an excellent touch from Mabasa, and Saleh can hardly miss, despite the efforts of the defender Msimango coming across. He's put it past Bruce Bavuma, who has gone close to 8 hours without conceding a goal, but Pirates have now equalised, so this derby is up and running. Chain sending the ball forward, nice distribution. Both goalkeepers have been very good in terms of that. Here's Hotto working hard, then losing out to Yusuf Mart. Now there's a chance for a break on him. Dansane with space to move. Nice pass. Pulemori, he's got a man free in the box. That's a lovely pass. Is this number 2? Yes, it is. And Kaizer Chiefs have regained the lead. It's a brilliant move. And Ashley Dupree scores a brace today. He's got more goals in one half of football than he's got the rest of the season put together. Chiefs bow back into the lead. A lovely move, and it came from Pirates attacking at the other end. Calvin Johnson looks as if he's about to explode from joy. But it's a very good goal from Chiefs, who earlier, before their last match, couldn't score this year. Went 3 matches in a row with 0-0 draws. They've now scored 3 in 1.5 games. And that man's got both of them. Ashley Dupree. Both of them today. Of course, Wandile Duba scoring in midweek, his first ever goal for the senior team. But the people of Love and Peace are certainly enjoying that. And there's Itukune, who of course is back in the squad. He's made peace, so to speak, with the management and recalled to the squad, having served his punishment out on the sidelines where he's done his own training. But here you see the ball possession won back, and Dansane does wonderfully well here to get away from his man and to set up Pulemori. Now look at the intelligent run that Ashley Dupree makes in the box. He's unmarked, he just draws away from the defenders, and Modi's unselfish, and because of that unselfishness, Modi gets credited with the assist, and Ashley Dupree, he can hardly miss from there, but it's still a good finish. And Chiefs now leading by 2-1. So we are having a derby of huge drama in the heat over southern Johannesburg. Here's Miguel Tim, back from a 2-match suspension. Here is Mofokeng trying his luck from range. Good block this time, but Pirates come again. Here is the youngster, sets it up for Hotto, pulling the ball back into an area where nobody is around. Now the shot from range. Oh my word! What a goal that is! What a goal that is! And he doesn't get many. Tabiso Lebitso, signed from Chippa United recently. He's banged that into the net, and this derby continues to give us thrills and spills. 57 minutes gone. Chiefs have conceded once in their last 8 matches. They've conceded now 2 within an hour, and we've seen 4 quality goals today. This is a derby that's putting South African football on the map. Lebitso's first goal for his new team, and Bruce Bavuma beat it again. There were warning signs, they were coming. Our guests at halftime were talking about it, and especially on Reef Rosler's side here, wide on the left as Pirates look at things. It's a brilliant ball back here from Dion Hotto, but what a shot from the edge of the area. And to beat Bruce Bavuma from that distance, you need quality. Lebitso has provided that quality. Look at that. No goalkeeper in the world is stopping that. It's 2-2. We've seen 4 quality goals, and this derby continues to live up to expectations. And as things stand, these sides stay 5th and 6th on the log, but they're giving it their all today. Coach Rivero from Vigo in Spain gives the salute to the fans of Pirates, to the Ghost, who are packing out large portions of the stadium.
Maswanganyi. Defense favorite. Abarumela kwa pele. Kevin Simango. Abasirela kwa morango. Kankange Jankawa. Motsetsu Jakasiaka. Kotata. Kibona Kotsifa. Kibona Matomula. Motowetu. Oh! Boyantu Matabe. Bataka Tapele. Patrick Maswanganyi. Yabwebela FNB. Yabudi Pasela di Fulagata di Ntolebo Sweu. Bate Babuye. Baruya Mbeza Hezekia. Obuya Selo Selo Sifela. Are Matambo Tanganani. About Kopana Marapo. Zanchu Kankani. 3-2 Kaizer Chiefs. And the show goes on. Bona Maswanganyi. Bona Gamutama Ikakilengo. I follow sa. I Bomotsela Yagamuna Pule. tota ke mona Pule Salenga yo no sanno yeo mona Pule Salenga ono sanno ya boraro Orlando Pirates ke di thele ka re ke maswanganyi 3 Orlando Pirates 2 Kaizer Chiefs 5 goal thriller mega isego fele di ka feta 4 ono sanno di le pedi fela chaka Ashley Dupree anu stedi le pedi na kwe fedile ke lebeletse Jelly Chavane motwetso ere gona ka tselentse njalo motsereganya ba ka gore motshameko ile ka bokhutlonga 3 Stopper Orlando Pirates 2 Kaizer Chiefs re dirile motwetso ke betsegala jalo itumele banda o re letile ga se ba siame le gale re tla boela go le tumeleng a bona boitumelo jo ba ratile ba latedi ba Orlando Pirates ba tshameke ba Stopper Orlando Pirates ba itumela dintlha di le tharo Tinode le pedi Kaizer Chiefs ba tsere ka tapele makgetlo a le mabedi Orlando Pirates ba bua kwa morago le go bona no ya phinyo mo motshamekong bona Ashley Dupree bona Joe Banana wa ka kwa Limpopo ga itumela ba thubega ka selelo go fedile motwetso ke go botlhoko ka fa le tlhakore la Stopper Orlando Pirates ke go botlhoko fa tlhoko Orlando Pirates go fedile bona boitele bo ka kwano 3 Orlando Pirates ya ka re go totobaletsa mo Pule Saleng dino de le pedi Thabiso Lebitso anu sene le nosi Ashley Dupree anu sene de le pedi tsa Stopper sa Kaizer Chiefs motho re dirile le putaputa se le sa rona na le Michael Abramson le boela jalo kwa go itumele mbanda yo kwa class